This time on Albright Quest, we go to Sunset Beach.
Sunset State Beach is on the Pacific coast off of the Monterey Bay. It is close to Watsonville and is surrounded by farmland.
We are at Sunset State Beach today.
Yay!
Hopefully the sun comes out. Look at the water here.
No, hey.
What are you carrying on your back? What is that?
You should already know.
Well, the camera doesn't know.
50s, 80s.
What is that?
A 10.
If you like our channel, please help us grow our channel by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications.
There are two parking areas. One is near the park entrance, that is where we parked, and the other is at the end of the park road. There is a $10 fee at the entrance.
These are pelicans out here.
Finding a place to set up was easy, since Sunset State Beach has a long shoreline and because we got there early.
We found a lot of sand dollars. Sand dollars are easy to find there. This one's dead or what?
Here is a cool fact from the Monterey Bay Aquarium. A sand dollar's mouth has jaws with 5 teeth-like sections to grind up tiny plants and animals. It can take a sand dollar 15 minutes to chew its food before swallowing it.
That's the best one I ever caught in my life. Daddy, look it. Way better than other sea sand dollars.
Wow, that's nice, buddy.
They're like a little strong.
Our beginner tackle box. It's a jellyfish.
No, it isn't.
Yes, that's a jellyfish.
Here, let's go put it up. We'll bring it back. What? It's a jellyfish?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. Yep, that's part of jellyfish. But you gotta be careful, Cole. Even though you find it on the shore, it could still sting you.
What the kids found is actually the skeletal remains of a jellyfish, also called a mesoglea. If a jellyfish is left on the beach long enough, it will dissipate because it's made mainly of water. Ocean foam, or sea bubbles, as we like to call it, are formed when algae blooms along with organic matter of the ocean is agitated by waves. They are for the most part harmless, but can sometimes cause allergic reactions depending on the algae in the area. Make sure you check with your beach website for any alerts before heading out to the beach.
Set my sails on fire and watch my vessel sink, 'cause I've seen the shores of every tide, but I still wished I was in your sea. I had buried my wandering heart deep into the earth, 'cause when we were mountain tops apart, oh how I long for your valley deep.
These ones are fossils. The other ones are don't. Because if they don't have a straw, that means they're not.
Where did you find this one?
I was just walking, because I usually just walk to get them, and then I just find them all over the place.
In the sky, and I'm like, ooh.
So I was in the water, and I thought I felt a clam, and so I decided to pick it up, and then it was a crab, and I dropped it back in the water. I'm just like, what? I see him moving. Oh. He's mad at you. Oh, he's digging! Oh! That's his face.
Cause you are the light in my eyes, in my eyes.
Balls in the front.
Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky. And I'm like, ooh. And I see after all these miles that we're meant to be wild and wild and free and never in style, but we would be together and smile at all the memories of you and me. Anywhere I run, I can see the sun, cause you are the light in my eyes, in my eyes. Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky. And I'm like, oh.
When I was looking for clams and stuff, I thought I got a clam. So I picked it up, and then it was a phone.
No.
I found a phone!
You tried it?
I started running and yelling, I found a phone!
Hey,
Nice beard. What beard? Dan.
We brought it home, and we're gonna try to figure out whose phone it is and return it to them.
So if you are watching and this phone looks familiar to you, leave us a comment or send us a message
if it's your phone.
if it's your phone.
And we will give it back to you.
Time to go.
Yeah,
to go home.
we don't like this beach.
Yes, we do. We like this beach.
Well, I don't know.
It's just cold, that's all. Time to
You
go.
make me go home, people.
We have many more adventures to come. Please continue to join us for our next Albright quest.